Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you guys to see what is in store for today. But before we do that, I would like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So today I'm going to be using Discontinued makeup. So I don't know if it's technically discontinued yet, but I got an email from Catrice saying that some of their makeup was going to be discontinued and that it was all on sale. So I definitely had to pick it up. But I don't know if by the time this video goes up, if it's still going to be available for you to buy these products, but I just thought it'd be fun to buy their discontinued products and try them out and see if they're good or if they were discontinued because they were bad or whatever the case may be, just to see my opinion on it. So I just thought it'd be fun. I also got some Essence stuff that was being discontinued, so that'll be in a future video, so stay tuned for that. Here we go on with the discontinued Catrice. So I have the Catrice Cosmetics powder and makeup. So it basically says that you can use it with a brush to be powder, or you can use it with a sponge and you can apply it as your base. So some people use powder as just their base instead of using foundation too. So this could be used as either, but I'm just going to use it as powder. Just want to go in with my little Sephora Pro Mini Flawless Airbrush, and I'm going to use the little mirror that's in here, and I'm just going to apply this to the face. So I think this powder looks really pretty. It made me look matte. I'd like to try it also as a foundation, but I had a base down, so I figured I'd just use it as the powder. So I feel like it looks nice. Not really sure why they're discontinuing it. On the emails, it mainly said that they're just coming out with so many new things that they had to get rid of some of the old stuff. So that's just kind of what I was getting out of it. Next is the Deluxe Glow Highlighter Palette. And it is in the Glorious 3, like glow and glorious mixed together. So here are the 3 shades. So that's what they look like. I feel like they're kind of powdery, which may be why this is being discontinued. I don't see the shine, but maybe it's for people that don't really like a super blinding highlight. So it says that it could be for an all-over glow or to illuminate certain areas. So technically you could use these as a powder for your face that are kind of shimmery. I mean, they're not like super shimmery, so I think that for me, I would probably use the center one to set my face with, because it's not like too shimmery. It just seems like a light powder. So I may try that sometime. But for now, the one that looks the most glowy per se to be a highlight to me is this champagne shade right here. And I also have a brush that I got that is being discontinued. It's the multi-talent brush. It's for contour, highlighter, blush, foundation, and concealer. So basically it could be used with cream, liquid, or powder products. So I think that's interesting that they would be discontinuing this because it's such a multi-use. It says it's a multi-use brush, but so this is what we got going on right here. It's kind of like an angled brush, so I could see how it would be a good contouring brush. I haven't tried it for that, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go in with the highlighter the highlightiest looking one. And I'm going to add that to the cheeks. And there's a little bit of pigment there, but not really anything up my alley. I like a super blinding highlight. This just seems to give you like a subtle glow that looks more like natural. I like my highlighter to be like boom in your face, you know what I mean? Like super bright. But this is really pretty. It's just like a more like natural highlight. I like that. I feel like maybe for the bronzer one, I could maybe contour with that a little bit. The highlighter ones seem to be okay. It's more of like a natural highlight. If you like that, I like a boom in your face kind of highlight. But it still looks really pretty. It's just more natural, and the bronzer seems to be okay on the skin. It doesn't seem too crazy. I'm not really into too chiseled of a look, but this actually looks really nice. So I guess as a highlighter palette, not really a big fan of it for that. but this is like a natural highlight. This would be good to probably set your face, and then you can contour with this one, and they're not too shimmery. So I think a highlighter palette was a bad name for this. It doesn't seem glowy like an actual highlighter palette. I think that's why people may or may not have liked it. This brush seems okay. I think it's really soft, and it seems to have applied the products really nice, so I'll have to try it with maybe some liquid products too. It sucks that it's discontinued if I do end up liking it. So I do have a few other things. I have this contouring and highlighting duo pencil. It's basically like one end's like, I mean both of them are pencils, but this one's like a more like shimmery champagne-y color, and this one's like a blackish charcoal color. And then I also have this velvet matte smoky eye pencil, and it's kind of like a gray color. And then this end is like a brush that you could like smoke it out with. Then I have this GlamGirl super black liner. Looks like that. So I'm just gonna, oh wow, that's really pigmented, okay. It's a felt tip. So I'm just gonna swatch all these. So that's the black liner, that was the felt tip one. This is the smoky eye pencil right there. And here is the contouring, where it's a black liner on one side and a more shimmery one on the other side. So that's what they look like. And then I got two lipsticks. One's the Catrice Shine Appeal Fluid Lipstick in shade Notorious. So that's what that looks like. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be like a dry down. I don't think so. I think it's just supposed to be like a satin liquid lip. And then this lip gloss is the Infinite Shine Lip Gloss. It's a really pretty lip gloss. That's right here. So this is what everything swatched looks like. I'll definitely be using all of this stuff in future videos. I just didn't want to make this video too long. So I will use the lipstick and see what that looks like, and then I'll try on the lip gloss. So it seems like it's like a lip gloss also, even though it's called a lipstick, but it seems really pretty. Then I'll just throw this gloss right on top. It seems like it has like yellow and pink glitter reflex in it. So those actually look really pretty mixed together, but you saw how they how they look separated on my hand. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of discontinued makeup. I know it sucks that if you guys can't get it, I'm really sorry. I just thought that it would be a fun little series to do. Like I said, I have the Catrice one, and then I have the Essence one. But the Essence one is more nail polish focused, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. My channel is not going to be just makeup. I'm going to do other things on here, like collabs with my family and friends and stuff. If you guys want to know more about things that I'm going to do on my channel, you should check out my trailer and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Check the description box for more information about this video and all my social medias. And if you have any video ideas, please comment them down below. See you next time.